In today's activity, we will be working in inches. Please confirm that you have a new blank assembly file. This new design needs to be in the same folder with the rest of your pipe works. So in our blank assembly file, we will now drag and drop flange 2. And press enter to confirm the position. Drag and drop the gasket. And we're going to use the up arrow to move that significantly far away. Press enter. We're going to assemble our first joint now using the joint command or type J from your keyboard. And I have to use the bottom side of this gasket right on the perimeter of that circle so that it highlights a joint origin directly in the center. Then I can toggle my view cube back and perform the same operation on the top side of my flange. The interior of that pipe should match up to the interior of the gasket. Press enter to confirm. Next, we're going to drag in flange 1. Drop that into the assembly. Again, raise it significantly so that you can see into the bottom. Press enter. Toggle your view back to the bottom and perform the next joint in a similar method using the circle in the center as your joint origin. Toggle your view using the top part of the gasket and a center of origin there. Press enter to confirm that position. Now we're ready to bring in McMaster Car components, our very first bolt. So we go to screws and bolts. We will be looking for hex head and the high strength. We want fully threaded. And we would like to confirm that they are 1/4 by 32 on the thread size. 1/4 by 32 should match our thread size from the previous assignment. We want the 1-inch shaft length, so we'll click that part detail right there and scroll to the bottom. Always ensure that you're using 3D step from the pull down menu. Save that into your assembly. And once the McMaster Car component comes into the assembly, drag it slightly to the left so that you can see the entire object. Press enter, and we're going to zoom in significantly. Again, a joint to capture the position using the very tip end of that bolt. And we're going to zoom in significantly so that we can see this gray cavity right here and select that joint origin of the gray cavity. Now we do want a revolute style joint, which means it turns itself into position. And we do want to drag the bolt as far down as possible without intersecting. My calculation says that that value, if I were to type it, would be exactly 0.937 in the negative. So I'm going to type the 937. So I have a negative 0.937. Press enter to confirm that position and save your work.